Seen a free trading group and wondered what the catch is? Fair question. You should ask that question about everyone, including me. So here's my answer. Straight. The broker pays me a small commission while you trade with them. That's the whole arrangement. No subscription, no fees, nothing hidden. And that's the best thing about me, not the worst. Most of this industry gets paid the second you deposit. Whatever happens to your account after that isn't their problem. It stays my problem. The longer you're here learning and trading, the better this works for me too. So I've every reason to look after you. Before this, I worked in a call center and a garden center. I put my last £1,000 I had into a trading account, and nearly a decade on, I'm still here trading live every day. I'm in every trade I share and I teach as I go. Because I want people to actually understand what they're doing, not follow along blind. Your money stays in your account the whole time. I can't touch it and I can never run with it. So how do you tell a real trader from an influencer who's gone the moments he's been paid? There's a handful of ways. Don't take my word for any of them. Here's the proof. Here's how you check it yourself. Is he actually in their trades or just posting them? I'm in every one live with my own money. If it loses, I lose with everyone. Can you see a real history? The losing months and not just the wins? That's mine. Drawdowns and all. Don't take the chart's word for it either. Go and check it yourself. What do the reviews say? And are the bad ones still there? Mine are the good and the bad. A page with nothing but 5-star isn't honest, it's edited. What does he do when he loses? I sit in front of a camera, gut it, and send it to the group. A fake can post a win. A fake can't film himself sick over a loss years after years. And is there anything there besides the trades? Every week, I actually teach, and when someone asks a question in a chat, they get an answer. The fakes go quiet once they've been paid. I don't. This isn't me. People who started where you are have quietly done well with me. Manik was a gardener a couple of years back. Learned by watching my trades and makes 3 to 4 grand a month doing this now. Kish left his teaching job for it. Makes a couple of grand a month. Still runs the odd workshop because he enjoys it. Jacob came in as a total beginner just over a year ago. He's on around 4 grand a month now. Nothing overnight, just steady from people who stuck around. If you're new to trading, watch me first. You'll see exactly what I do the moment I do it. My entries, my exits, my reasoning with my own money on the line. You learn as you go, and every decision in your account stays yours. You check me without risking a penny. Come into the free group and watch me trade live. Day 1, you'll see my live entries and exits, the wins and the losses in real time, by the way. By day 3, you'll watch me cut my size or step aside when a trade turned against us. By day 7, you'll have sat in on a live session and seen me on a bad day as well as a good one. Then you decide. And be clear, trading has risk. You can lose money. That's exactly why you watch it first. Nothing to pay me, not now, not later. Join the free group, watch me trade live, sit in on the weekly sessions, and learn the skill properly from someone who does it every day. Give it a week before you risk anything. The link's right here.